I'm mining for boomers, and nobody wants to talk about it. Hello, do you have a minute? Could I speak to you? Doesn't look like you're aging. As I walk through here, I'm reminded of the fact that it's not if, it's when. So, do you want to be left with questions or answers? It's time to start the conversation with yourself, with others.
My father died when I was 21 years old. My mother died when I was 31 years old.
You were young.
So,
very young.
you know, yeah, I mean, so my kids really
prepared too.
Yeah, they left us prepared.
See?
And
they weren't
you know.
in denial, and though we all pray for a miracle and hope for a cure.
Yeah.
And that's why now I see why you take such good care of your kids. It comes from experience, and that's why we're having these conversations with people today, of just hopefully getting them to start thinking about the what ifs when there is no crisis. I'm looking for some boomers because we need to have a conversation about the conversation. The what if, for instance, in your home, heaven forbid, if something happened to you, would your home run as smoothly as it would if you were around?
In my case, it would probably run smoother.
Oh no! And are you self-sufficient? Heaven forbid. If the faucet was leaking, would you let it leak?
I know how to call a plumber.
All right. So now would you Google a plumber? Or would you happen to have a person from the neighborhood?
No, I would Google a plumber.
So it's all about being prepared, and that's what we're talking about. If you look around your house and you're able to say, you know, if I can't fix it myself, I know who to call. Okay, this is good. This is a great start.